Hey there! Glad you could join us for today's yoga class. We're going to work on making you more flexible and helping you relax with some easy moves and breathing exercises. It doesn't matter if you're new to yoga or if you've been doing it for years. This session is great for anyone who wants to chill out and give their body a good stretch. Let's begin in a comfortable seated position on your mat. Close your eyes softly and take a few deep breaths in and out through your nose. Feel the tension start to melt away with each exhale. Now gently open your eyes. We'll start with some neck rolls to release any tightness. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling a stretch along the left side of your neck. Slowly roll your head forward and then to the left shoulder. Repeat this movement a few times, syncing it with your breath. Let's dive into the cat-cow pose. This pose is fantastic for warming up your spine and improving flexibility. Start on your hands and knees, ensuring your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale deeply, arch your back, and lift your head and tailbone towards the sky. Exhale, round your spine, and tuck your chin to your chest. Repeat this flow, feeling the stretch and release in your back. Keep breathing deeply and enjoy the movement. Now, let's come into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide, tuck your toes, and lift your hips towards the sky. Keep your knees slightly bent if you need to. Pedal out your feet, bending one knee and then the other to stretch your calves and hamstrings. From here, slowly walk your feet towards your hands at the top of your mat for forward fold. Bend your knees as much as you need to keep your spine long. Grab opposite elbows and gently sway side to side, releasing any tension in your back and shoulders. Let's find a gentle flow with sun salutations. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead, and exhale, fold forward into forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway up with a flat back, and exhale, fold again. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up and exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Now let's focus on hip flexibility with Pigeon Pose. Bring your right knee towards your right wrist and extend your left leg back behind you. Lower your hips towards the mat and stay here or walk your hands forward for a deeper stretch. Breathe deeply into your hips, allowing any tension to release. Switch to the other side, bringing your left knee forward this time. Find your edge in the pose and breathe into any tightness you may feel. To wind down, let's come into Savasana. Lie down on your back, arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and allow your body to fully relax into the mat. Take this time to observe the sensations in your body and the stillness in your mind. Stay in Savasana for as long as you like, soaking in the benefits of your practice. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly roll onto your side. Press yourself up to a seated position with your eyes closed. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time for your health and well-being. Namaste. Thank you for practicing yoga with us. Subscribe for more yoga and wellness content.